3 reasons why you are great already. Number 1, you are a spiritual being with a human experience and not a human being with a spiritual experience. And spirit, your spiritual DNA is perfect. It is all-knowing, it is ever-present, and it is the real you. Reason number 2, you have infinite potential. We, with our conscious and our subconscious mind, can do anything that we set our mind to do. That is why we climbed to the top of the Mount Everest, and that is why we're flying in airplanes today. That is why we set foot on the moon, and that is why soon we'll set foot on Mars. You too have infinite potential. And last but not least, let me borrow something from Neville Goddard. The future must become the present in the imagination of the one who would wisely and consciously create circumstance. And so you can do that too, because you've got that higher faculty, the imagination as well. You can see what you want in your mind before you create it in your life. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day and live with love and live with passion.